Is it the right time to buy or sell Fisker stock? That's the question we'll be exploring in this video, where we'll provide you with a more detailed analysis based on our initial report published on our website on Friday, January 19, 2024. To stay up to date on our latest analysis, be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. Don't miss out on any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Access the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Lastly, please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of January 2, 2024, our system has ranked Fisker as a strong sell candidate, with a score of -6.37. Now, let's examine how the stock has performed during this period. Fisker stock has experienced a significant loss of -51.58%. This means that on average, the stock has been declining by -3.97% every day since it was identified as a strong sell candidate. The stock is currently in a wide and falling trend, which presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders. It is expected to react back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks above the top trend line at 81 cents, it could indicate a slower falling rate or even a trend shift. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential -84.42% change expected over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between -100% and -83.97%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a -52.49% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging between -51.80% and 165.76%. This means that the stock could reach a price range of $0.380 to $2.10 after a year. Our latest update on Fisker brings you some interesting news. The stock price experienced significant movements on Friday, with a 13.48% difference between the highest and lowest points. On the last trading day, Friday, January 19, 2024, the Fisker stock price dropped by -2.69%, going from 81 cents to $0.789. This marks the 7th consecutive day of decline. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $0.763 and a high of 87 cents, showing a notable 13.48% variation. Over the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 9 of them, resulting in a total decline of -45.95%. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is generally considered a positive sign as volume tends to follow the stock. Specifically, the trading volume fell by -10 million shares, with a total of 47 million shares being bought and sold, equivalent to approximately $37.46 million. Let's take a look at the performance of Fisker over the past 52 weeks. The highest stock price within this period was $8.67, while the lowest was $0.760. Currently, the price stands at $7.88, which is 90.89% below the 52-week high. Additionally, it is 97.53% below the all-time high, which occurred on March 2, 2021, with a price of $31.96. Welcome to today's video on Analyst Ratings. Let's dive into the latest reports on FSR, the electric vehicle manufacturer. On Tuesday, November 14, 2023, Needham analysts gave FSR a hold grade with a corresponding hold action. Similarly, on the same day, Raymond James analysts rated FSR as market perform with a hold action. Moving on to an earlier report, on Monday, February 27, 2023, CFRA analysts gave FSR a sell grade with an upgrade action. Now let's go back to November 30, 2022, when Evercore ISI analysts initiated coverage on FSR with an outperform grade and an initialize action. Finally, on November 15, 2022, Morgan Stanley analysts gave FSR an equal weight grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Fisker stock a general rating of neutral. They have rated the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy. However, for return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a sell rating. Fisker's current signals indicate a negative forecast for the stock. Both short and long-term moving averages suggest sell signals, with no significant positive signals detected. The relation between these signals also shows a general sell signal, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On the upside, the stock may face resistance at 95 cents and $1.40. However, if it breaks above these levels, it may issue buy signals. On the downside, a sell signal was recently issued from a pivot top point on Friday, December 29, 2023, resulting in a decline of -54.90%. The stock is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, currently indicates a sell signal. It's worth noting that volume fell along with the price during the last trading day, reducing the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. We have a sell signal for the moving average convergence divergence. Pivots also indicate a sell signal 14 days ago. On the other hand, the Bollinger indicator shows a buy signal 90 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal 13 days ago. When we look at the 12-month chart, we can observe the following. The short moving average indicates a sell signal 13 days ago. The long-term moving average also suggests a sell signal 65 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 58 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Fisker. Currently, there is no significant support from accumulated volume below today's level. This means that if the right conditions arise, the stock may perform poorly in the next few days. Fisker stock exhibits high volatility, meaning it can experience significant price movements during the day. Additionally, the Bollinger Band indicates a wide prediction interval for this stock, classifying it as very high risk. In the past day, the stock had a price range of $0.103 or 13.48% between its highest and lowest points. Over the past week, it has shown an average daily volatility of 12.57%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Fisker, let's start by reviewing some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is either not making a profit or experiencing losses. It's normal for established companies to face challenges from time to time, often due to external factors. However, if a company consistently has a negative PE ratio, it may indicate insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 26, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for earnings per share are at $0.200. It's important to keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Today, we will be exploring the day trading levels for Fisker. If the stock is experiencing an upward trend, the first resistance level for Fisker is at 81 cents. If you don't currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. However, if you are already holding the stock, this could be an opportune level to consider for swing trading. It's important to note that there is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which means the stock has the potential to drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you have experience as a trader and know how to navigate such situations. The average rating for Fisker from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On January 8, 2024, Salinas Jose Angel conducted an insider buy of 0 shares. On January 5, 2024, Hickson Mark E conducted an insider buy of 7,695 shares of Class A common stock. On January 5, 2024, Zuckley Mitchell conducted an insider buy of 7,695 shares of Class A common stock. On January 5, 2024, McDermott William R. conducted an insider buy of 7,695 shares of Class A common stock. On January 5, 2024, Gruel Wendy J. conducted an insider buy of 7,695 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is negative at -9.026. Overall, insiders have purchased 2,722,778 shares and sold 3,667,772 shares in the last 100 trades. Unfortunately, we have a negative evaluation for this stock, and the absence of a stop-loss strategy is concerning. Is Fisker stock a good buy? Unfortunately, Fisker currently holds several negative signals and is within a very wide and falling trend. This indicates that it may continue to perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. As a result, we have a negative evaluation of this stock. However, when we analyze the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to trading on Monday, January 22nd, we expect Fisker to open up $0.0166 and start trading at 81 cents. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We highly recommend consulting a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We're eager to hear your thoughts, so don't forget to comment below and share your opinions. Also, what's your target for this stock? We're curious to know. And if you enjoy this content, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We're here to support your trading journey and wish you great success. Have a fantastic day from all of us at Stock Invest.